The secret hack to boost your FICO score, Navy Federal Pledge Loan Strategy. 1. The real problem. Most people fighting negative items on their credit reports forget one thing. They stop rebuilding while they're disputing. Big mistake. Why? Because if all the bad stuff gets deleted, you may end up with no active credit at all. And no credit can be just as bad credit. So what does that actually mean? It means while you're chiseling away the negatives, you should also be planting new positives. Footnote. Rebuilding credit must happen at the same time as disputing negatives, otherwise the profile looks empty. 2. Second chance cards. One option is what's called a second chance card. Think of names like Credit One or Indigo. They're not glamorous. In fact, they're often loaded with fees. But they do the job of putting a fresh positive line on your report. Rule of thumb, get one. Not two, not three, just one. Because you'll likely be stuck with it for years. Some folks joke they'll keep their card longer than their marriage. Sad but sometimes true. Footnote. A single second chance credit card adds positive history, but multiple cards just pile on fees. 3. The Navy Federal Hack. Here's the part most people don't know. Navy Federal Credit Union has a product called a pledge loan. It's basically a secured loan. You deposit money, say $1,000, and borrow against it. No hard credit pull. Easy entry. And here's the hack. Pay back about 90% of it right away. So if you borrow $1,000, you immediately pay $890 back in the first 30 days. That leaves just $110. Then you set up autopay for $10 a month over the next 11 months. Simple. Why does this work? Because FICO dings you if your loan balance is near the max. By paying 90% down right away, you look responsible and keep utilization low. The credit system eats that up. Within 60 to 90 days, scores can jump 60 points or even 100. Footnote. The pledge loan hack works by combining a new positive trade line with ultra-low utilization. 4. Secured cards at big banks. If you've got extra cash, another path is a secured card with a major bank, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Citi. One standout, Bank of America's secured card can graduate. Put in $1,000. Make 12 on-time payments. After a year, they return your deposit and convert it to an unsecured card. That's a rare win. Most secured cards hold your money hostage until you close them. And you don't want to close them, because closing shortens your history and hurts your score. Footnote. A secured card with a large bank is safer long-term and can transition to unsecured credit. 5. Long game thinking. This isn't about surviving month to month. It's about building a foundation. Personal credit first, then business credit. Why? Because most business cards don't report to personal credit. That means you can use them for spending without crushing your utilization ratio. Think ahead. Protect your personal FICO by shifting heavier use onto business credit lines once you qualify. Wealthy people think like this. They play chess while everyone else plays checkers. Footnote. Using business credit strategically keeps personal credit utilization low and preserves high FICO scores. 6. The takeaway. Erase negatives, yes. But rebuild at the same time. Start with one second chance card. Layer in a Navy Federal pledge loan using the 90% paydown hack. If possible, add a secured card with a major bank that can graduate. Within 3 months, your score starts moving up. Within a year, you look like a completely different borrower. The credit system is built to punish mistakes, but also to reward new habits. And the hack works because it speaks the algorithm's language. Footnote. Combining dispute strategies with rebuilding tactics produces the fastest and strongest credit recovery.